So I'm just sitting here working on a little highlight reel for my YouTube channel, and I was sitting here and I was looking at this footage that is just slightly overexposed, and it was shot in log, and there's not much way to recover it, but I had this idea to put a cool bloom effect, and I didn't really know how to do it until I started messing around, and I just wanted to share this free and easy way to get a bloom effect for your footage in Final Cut Pro. And so I saw a lot of videos, and they're not great, the effects that they're doing, and some of them are built in to Final Cut and some are plugins, but this is the easiest free way that I figured out how to do this. And there's probably a better way, but this is how I figured out how to do this little bloom effect. So first, you're going to take your footage, and you want to do your rough grade on it. Say if you're doing shooting in log, I sat here and I did a rough grade on this river footage. And so after you get a rough grade, you're just going to take your clip and you're going to duplicate it. So in this case, I'm going to hold down the Option key and drag up. Once you've duplicated it, you're going to want to put on the MLUT effect by Motion VFX, and you're going to just drag that right onto the clip, and then find yourself a good hero shot with a lot of highlights. So this looks pretty good. I have some highlights here and here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the levels, and I'm going to crush the shadows until pretty much all that I see are these highlights. So there we go. We're looking good. So now all that's left is highlights. Clean it up with the midtones. Try to crush it. There we go. And then after you have crushed all your shadows and pretty much killed anything that's not pure white to black, you're going to go down to your search bar in your effects window, and you're going to type in Gaussian blur. And let's see here. All right. And you're just going to drag that right onto the clip. And now you're going to notice this kind of blurs the overexposed parts of the image. And so you can sit here and tweak it. I like to add a little bit of blur boost, maybe increase it a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And then what you do is you take this top clip that you've done all these effects on, and you go to the compositing blend mode, and you're just gonna switch it to screen. And there you go. Now you have like this interesting, dreamy bloom effect that affects the highlights, but it doesn't affect any other part of the image. So yeah, take a quick look at the clip. Cool. Awesome. I hope that was informative for you, and yeah, just wanted to share that.